Right now, the sentiment around robotics is unusually positive, scoring at plus 0.36, coupled with a momentum of plus 0.21. This isn't just a minor blip, it's a notable spike compared to our historical baseline. You're looking at a landscape where optimism is rising, evident in 11 distinct semantic clusters reflecting various facets of robotics, from automation to AI integration. Our API returns nuanced sentiment scores, semantic clusters, and momentum indicators, allowing you to understand not just the what but the why behind the data. Imagine building a chatbot that adapts its responses based on the evolving sentiment in robotics discussions, enhancing user engagement significantly. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.